Thank you, Dan. No pressure. Eek. Good morning, everybody. We've got another cracking Weather Watcher picture sent in this morning from Herefordshire. You can see some blue skies. We've had some showers here, and that sums up the forecast for today. It's sunshine and also some showers. Now, some of the showers will be heavy and thundery and slow moving, particularly so in the north and the west of the UK. Low pressure is driving our weather, the centre of which is in this circle here, and we've got lots of weather fronts wrapped around it. They are producing the showers. Now, in the centre of the low pressure, as you can tell from the distinct lack of isobars, there's no wind to talk of. Further south, the isobars are a bit closer together, so it's breezy. So any showers across most of England and Wales will rattle through quite quickly, whereas in Scotland and Northern Ireland, they will be slow moving. That's where they're going to merge. So the showers continuing to be dragged along by the low pressure, moving from the west towards the east. There are showers right now, so not all of us will catch one. But if you do catch one in the north of the country, as I mentioned, it could be heavy, thundery, prolonged, and indeed slow moving. So temperatures today 15 to about 23 degrees, and as we head on through the evening and overnight, there'll still be quite a lot of showers around, still thundery, particularly in the northern half of the country. In the southern half, we're looking at some clear skies. Now, it will still be breezy, but not as breezy as during the day, and that wind will continue to fall as we head on through tomorrow. Temperatures falling to very similar levels as we saw in the night just gone. Tomorrow then, still a mixture of sunshine and showers, some heavier ones across Scotland, still the odd rumble of thunder here, but we'll see some showers across Northern Ireland, a few across Northern England, Wales, getting into the Midlands and across southern counties, still very much hit and miss. Temperature-wise, up to about 24 degrees, and in the slacker breeze, that will feel quite pleasant. Thursday sees a weak ridge of high pressure move across our shores. Now, high pressure means more settled conditions usually, but this is a weak one, so there still will be some showers dotted around here and there. But it's later on in the day, as Dan alluded to, we watch the cloud build across the southwest, heralding the arrival of an unseasonably deep area of low pressure. So here it is. It's going to come in from the southwest Thursday night and rattle steadily northwards through Friday into Saturday, taking its strong winds and heavy rain with it as it does so. So that is the forecast for this weekend. It's going to be windy, and we will see that rain moving from the southwest to the northeast. Dan and Lou.
Thank you very
Good morning, everyone. Well, it's mixed fortunes with the weather, depending on where you are. You can see this picture from the Highlands that it's quite a cloudy start here today. We also are looking at some hefty showers and thundery, slow-moving ones as well. That is the forecast for many, sunshine and showers, but the heaviest will be across the north and the west of the UK. Now, in this satellite picture, you can see how the centre of the low pressure is to the west of Northern Ireland, but we do have an array of weather fronts wrapped around it, and this is what is producing the showers. In the centre of the low pressure, hardly a breath of wind, hence the slow-moving showers, but as we come further south, there is more of a breeze, so that will blow the showers along a bit quickly. Now, you can see too that the showers are moving from the west towards the east, heaviest in the north, but in the south, you're not immune to a shower, but you're more likely to miss one, and the showers anyway are hit and miss. Yesterday, gusts of wind across the south coast, 45 miles an hour. We could see similar, and in between the showers, there will be some sunshine and temperatures ranging from roughly the mid-teens in the north to the low 20s in the south. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, we still will have some of those showers. There will still be thundery across the north of Scotland, possibly the north of England as well. But there will also be some clear spells, particularly across southern parts of England and Wales. Now, temperature-wise tonight, similar to the night just gone, so the low to the mid-teens, and the breeze starting to lighten across the south coast, and that will continue into tomorrow as well. So tomorrow, a lot of dry weather to start the day, but there will be showers around from the word go. Across Scotland, for example, where light today, they're going to be heavy, slow-moving and thundery. Some showers in Northern Ireland, a few getting in across Northern England, a few in Wales, the Midlands, and also the south coast. Temperatures tomorrow, up to 24 degrees. By the time we get to Thursday, a weak ridge of high pressure will be across us. Now, normally when you hear high pressure, it means the weather is going to be more settled, and it will be, but there will still be some showers around, dotted across parts of Scotland, Northern England, and again the south coast. But it's later in the day. things start to liven up across the southwest, as initially more cloud will build and then we'll see some rain. And that's courtesy of an unseasonably deep area of low pressure, which is coming our way on Friday and for the weekend. But it comes in on Thursday night from the southwest, moving steadily northeastwards through the night, through Friday and into Saturday. And with it will be some heavy rain and also some strong winds. Now that does mean for the weekend forecast, it is of course going to be unsettled with that combination. So if you're camping this weekend, do bear this in mind. Equally, the trees are still in full bloom, so there might be some issues with that as well. So do keep tuned to the weather forecast for where you're going to be this weekend. Lou and Dan.
Will do. Thank you very much.
Morning everyone. Well, we've got mixed fortunes depending on your point of view in the weather today. You can see it's been raining this morning in Cumbria, thanks to our weather watcher who sent that in, Michael's Meadow. But in other parts of the country, we've started off on a dry and a sunny note, as you can see in Tidworth in Wiltshire. And we've had some beautiful weather watchers pictures in, so thank you very much for them. Now, the forecast today is one of sunny spells and some heavy downpours. Some of the downpours across the north and the west of the UK in particular will be heavy and thundery, and across Scotland and Northern Ireland, they'll also be slow moving. Low pressure is driving our weather, the centre of which is to the west of Ireland. You can see the rotation of the cloud in an anti-clockwise direction around it, and that's carrying some weather fronts. Now, in the centre of the low pressure, hardly a breath of wind, as you can see from the distinct lack of isobars. But as we come further south, the isobars are squeezed a bit more. So breezy across southern areas, so any showers in the south will rattle through quite quickly. And gusty winds close to the south coast. Now today, as the centre of the low pressure drifts a little bit further east, you can see how the showers around it are dragged from the west towards the east. Heaviest across Scotland and Northern Ireland, some across the far north of England as well. These ones will be thundery and also slow moving. But in between them all, we will see some bright skies or some sunshine, and temperatures 15 in the north to highs of 23 in the south. Now through this evening, we continue with some of those showers. Overnight, the heaviest ones are likely to be across the north of the country, some of them still carrying the odd rumble of thunder. Further south, although there will be a few showers around, we'll also have some clear skies and the breeze starting to abate. Temperatures very similar to the night that's just gone. Tomorrow then, we start off on a dry and a bright note with a fair bit of sunshine. Still a few showers from the word go. Tomorrow the heaviest showers are likely to be across northern Scotland, where they could also have some thunder and lightning embedded in them. Some showers coming in across Northern Ireland, a few in Northern England, for parts of Wales, the Midlands and southern counties as well. But they are showers, so they are fairly hit and miss. But by the time we get to Thursday, as a weak ridge of high pressure lies across our shores, things settle down a touch. Doesn't mean it's going to be bone dry. You can still see some showers dotted across the charts, but there'll be more dry weather than wet weather. And then we look to the southwest, where we've got a lot of cloud heralding the arrival of an unseasonably deep area of low pressure overnight Thursday, Friday and Saturday, as it tracks from the southwest towards the northeast, taking some heavy rain and some windy conditions with it. This could be disruptive. It's something we're keeping a very close eye on. So the weekend forecast, rain at times and also rather windy. Lou and Dan.
Right, so it's going to be an interesting weekend. Thank